How to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you create a broadcast channel on your Instagram. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open Instagram app with your account. Alright, so once you open the Instagram app with your account, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on message icon just at the top right corner. And now from here, tap on pencil icon at the top right corner. Okay, so now from this section, you'll be easily able to find the options like to create our broadcast channel. So if you are not getting that option, you'll have to just back from here. And now from this home page, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the bottom right corner. Now from here, tap on three line at the top right corner. Okay, so now from this setting and activity, you'll have to scroll down and go the option account privacy. Okay, so from the account privacy section, make sure that you have not set your account to private. So if you have set your account to private, you will not get the options to create a podcast channel. So now after this, if you are still facing the problem, you will have to just back from here. And now from the setting and activity, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and go the options like help. So simply tap on it. And now from here, tap on report or problem. Okay, simply tap on report problem, include and continue. Alright, so now from this section, you'll have to briefly explain your problem that you can't create broadcast channel on your Instagram account. So like you can also upload the screenshot of that problem like you can't create a broadcast channel. So after you made a request or report or problem from here to the Instagram support team, they will surely review your problem and provide you the some guidelines or procedure to fix that problem. And after there, you'll be able to create a broadcast channel on your Instagram account. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.